Good afternoon, ngayon po ay May 15, 2026 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong May 15, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, May 15, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 15, 2026, Friday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, May 15, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of May 15, 2026, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.